Hi, and thanks for watching this video from Double Sports in Huddersfield. So here we have our Audi A6 saloon. So this is the 3 litre TDI. You can also get them in a 2 litre, but I think for the weight of the car, I personally prefer the 3 litre, and it's in a lot of the cars that we deal with. So it's facelift model. Although it probably looks grey on the video, it is actually a blue colour. It's kind of a mix between blue and grey, but it is classed as blue. Quite a rare colour for one of these. Got the upgraded genuine alloys. I'm not sure if you can see that the screen looks a little bit of a funny colour compared to the S8. It's got heat insulated glass, privacy glass, sat nav, Bluetooth, reverse camera, heads up display. So quite a nice spec. And I think for the age and mileage of the car, it's a very, very clean. No major marks or scuffs. It is obviously a used car, but we do try and prep our cars as well as we can. So all the full spec, details of the history, etc. will be on the advert. All our cars come with 12 months MOT, a warranty as well, and they're all HPI motor checked. So there's no hidden history with them. Again, nice and clean inside. For some reason the video's showing like that dog card on the video looks like there's a stain, but I think it's just been wiped and it's not as dry. There's no marks or anything on it. Auto lights, multifunction steering wheel, cruise, the heads-up display box is there. Black interior, which I think is really nice with the exterior colour. Again, for the age and mileage, I think it's very well presented. As with all our cars, it's viewing by appointment only. We often get asked why this is, and it's just simply for the fact that I don't want someone setting off for a car that we've already sold, or someone might have put a deposit on it. Don't want anyone to have a wasted journey, and we never have two people looking at the same car at the same time. So if you ring and say you're setting off and you're 4 hours away, we'll hold the car for you until you get here. It's as simple as that. Any questions, just give us a ring or drop us an email. Thanks for watching.